with the 64th example, and what is said in this example: a small particle traveling with velocity v collides elastically with a spherical body of equal mass. So first of all, their masses are equal and the collision is elastic, so the coefficient of restitution is 1 and their masses are equal. The radius is r of the spherical body as shown in figure. Figure is also given to us. We have to find the final velocities of the body. Now here you can see that just before the collision, this mass will come here at this location and the collision will begin from here. So here we know that as the centers are not, the centers of the two body are not in the same line. So this collision is a elastic collision, and in elastic collision the resolution of velocities must be along the line joining their centers, that is along the line of impact and perpendicular to the line of impact. But to resolve the velocity, we need to find the angle this, and we can find this angle by using this triangle. Okay, so the angle can be find easily by using this triangle. The radius of the sphere is r while impact parameter is rho. So I can draw this triangle separately here so that I can get the value of sine theta and cos theta for resolution. So this is rho, this is r, so this side will be equal to r square minus rho square. Now what is sine theta? So it will be side opposite upon hypotenuse. What is cos theta? So that would be side adjacent upon hypotenuse. Okay, as the masses are same and collision is elastic, so along the line of impact the velocity must get exchanged. So if I resolve this velocity into two parts, if this is theta, this will also be theta. So a component of this velocity is v cos theta and component of this velocity will be v sin theta. Now here we know that when two identical bodies, that is bodies of same mass, collide elastically, their velocities along the line of impact get exchanged. So here also the same thing will happen. If I draw the situation after collision, their velocity will get exchanged. That is, the spherical body will move along the impact with the speed of v cos theta, while the smaller body will have zero velocity in this direction, and it will have velocity v sin theta remain as it is in this direction because there is no action reaction force of collision here. So here the final velocity of body 1 is v sin theta, so it will be v, and what is sin theta? We can put the value of sin theta as rho by r from here, so it will be rho by r. Final velocity of body 2 will be v cos theta, so it will be v into cos theta, so cos theta will be equal to under root r square minus rho square upon r. So that is, these are the velocities acquired. So this is very simple example, but you need to remember only this thing: when elastic collision happens between two identical bodies or bodies of same mass, then velocities along the line of impact get exchanged. Thank you.